All right, so as you can see, there are a couple of things that are a bit different, as you can see behind me. I've been working on this for quite a while. I haven't been able to really make any videos because I haven't had everything here. Bringing a camera, bringing my computers is cool, but if you've seen the other videos, how I use a server rack and a bunch of different systems to kind of make everything work, has limited my ability to make content. So now it's all here. I just have to decorate this room and make it look decent. But outside of that, the other reason why I'm making this is because I just have to relearn the workflow, because things aren't the same as they once were when I was at the other location. And I also wanted to know where you guys would watch. For the ones that do watch live streams, where would you guys watch a live stream? Would it be on YouTube or would it be on Twitch? I know that Facebook has like their Facebook gaming and their live streaming. Not really interested in that, but so I'm kind of leaning towards Twitch or YouTube. I wanted your insights to get a better idea of the people that would watch. I know a lot of people won't, but the people that would, where would you watch that? And the idea there is to work 15 to 20 hours or to stream 15 to 20 hours and kind of explaining stuff. If you guys have questions about DaVinci Resolve or similar things in that realm that I work in, you could ask those questions there. And then I'm going to be working on the products that I have on my website, kind of developing the whole thing. You can watch that whole process. And yeah, if I end up throughout that stream creatively come up with something cool, or if there is a question that's asked and I answer it and I actually like the answer in which I gave, I'll probably take those little clips and make those into highlight videos that will be on the channel. So that's kind of the idea that I have. Like I said, I'm curious where you guys would watch for the ones that would watch. There's not much more to this video. I just have to get this all set up so that I can make my first video actually here. I have an idea already set up, so once this video is created and I feel comfortable with it, I am then just going to jump right into making another lesson. So let me know in the comments, and as always, my name's JR. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, guys.